In this lesson, we'll review an improving the sentence problem. It's part of the writing multiple choice. We're on page 677, question 11 out of 14. And this is a medium to difficult problem. Jesse passed the California bar exam last year, and he has been practicing law in California ever since. We have to find the correct version of this underlined section. We have to correct the mistake, and I always want you to get in the habit of predicting. You have the choices below. So we have two independent clauses. First part, Jesse passed the California bar exam. Subject, active voice, and he passed the California bar exam. That is a complete sentence, it's an independent clause. Now, I've told you this again and again. Your first instinct, if you're ever linking two clauses, two independent clauses, you need a conjunction, and the conjunction you're always going to use is going to be an and, unless there's something to indicate otherwise. So there's no contrast here. There's no special verb that takes a different preposition here. His first part, we know he passed the California bar exam. We do have the and. So the and we know is correct. We've got the subject. You need the subject when you link two independent clauses. Has been practicing law in California ever since. So does this logically follow? He passed the exam, and he, Jesse, has been practicing law in California ever since. So as a result of his passage of the exam, he's been practicing. This looks good. If you look at the other choices here, so in B, we have since that time. You can never join the two with a since. We don't have anything to indicate since here. There has to be some type of subordinate conjunction, and that creates a dependent clause. We've talked about it. There is a simple two independent clauses. We need to join them with an and. If there's no since, that's out. C, wherever since he practiced. That's just a terrible sentence. So B is out, C is out. D, comma, he has. So that's almost right, but if you put the comma he, that is always going to be a run-on sentence. You can't have a comma. That's a comma splice. You've got to link the two with some type of conjunction. So just the comma he. Also, it has he has been practicing since then. Ever since is a little bit better, but definitely it doesn't have the and, so that's why D is wrong. And E has the and since then is practicing law there. We don't have the subject. We need that he again. So it really should strike you the best choice here has to be A. We have the and, we have the subject, and we have parallel voices. He passed, and he has been practicing active voice in both. All right, the answer here is A. See you next time. Thanks for watching.